Assalamu alaikum friend. I am your geography teacher Miss Wajiha. Today we will continue the natural topography including drainage unit number 1. Topographical features of the other mountains. Parallel ranges run mainly from west to east. The height of the range increases from south to north. High altitude rise the over 6,000 meter up to 8,475 meter. High passes such as Punjab Pass and Shindu Pass. Snowfields are found in and glaciers are there. Snow-capped peaks, steep slopes. Environmental issues. Economic changes and increase in population are threatening the ecology of the northern mountains. Deforestation in the foothills of the mountain and overgrazing on the high pastures have led to soil erosion. Deforestation has increased due to the demand for firewood and the extensive tree trimming in order to feed livestock. The construction of roads in the border region have increased the destruction rate of forest and numbers of landslides. Rapid population growth has accelerated pollution and the streams that were once clear and now polluted. Hill people who use the water for drinking suffer from different diseases like typhoid. Other epidemics are also common due to poor and hygienic conditions. Drainage features of northern mountain. The term drainage, natural drainage means the natural runoff of water from an area in river and streams. Drainage pattern, drainage system and network of rivers are terms used to describe the natural drainage of areas. The river Indus and its tributaries, which originate from the northern mountains, dominated the drainage pattern of northern mountains. The river Indus started its journey from Mansarovar Lake in the Karakoram range, while passing through the Hindu Kush to the northwest at Attock. River Kabul joined river Indus, which is already joined by river Swat. After forming deep valleys and gorges, river Indus takes a southern turn at Kalabagh and enters into plain areas. During its journey, the huge glaciers of the Karakoram and Hindu Kush feed the river. Similarly, the eastern tributaries of river Indus, Ravi, Jhelum, Chenab, Sutlej and Beas originate from Himalayas and after passing through Kashmir enter into the plain areas where they join river Indus. Gorges. When the river erode the land and flows downhill, the less resistant rock are eroded, leaving behind vertical hard rock which are called gorges. Waterfalls and rapids. Waterfall. A steep fall of river water from a resistant rock. Rapids. Series of very short and fast waterfall. Stream and springs. When the snow melts from the mountain top, water flows down in form of stream and spring, which flow out of the valley side. Glaciers. Many of the world's glaciers lie in the mountain of Pakistan. A glacier is a tongue-shaped mass of ice moving slowly down a valley. How glaciers change the landscape. Like river, when glaciers move down, they do three things: erosion, abrasion and plucking of soil and rock. These form their load. Transportation of their load, deposition of their load. The glaciers can be very large. Example, the Siachen Glacier is 78 km long. A glacier also causes erosion as it moves down a valley. Features of glaciation formed in high altitude mountain regions are mentioned. Snowfield is a plain area covered with snow above the snow line in high altitude mountain. There must be very heavy snowfall which allow the snow to accumulate in compact layer to form a snowfield. Serrated landscape. Elevated mountain zone used for agriculture. Bedrocks. In high altitude areas above the snow line. Scree. It is formed when water in the cracks of the rock freeze, expands and exerts great pressure within the rock. Deep V-shaped valley. Steep-sided deep river valley. Formation of U-shaped valley due to movement of glaciers. Deeply dissected landscape due to movement of glaciers. Cirque, Corée. A steep walled basin resulting from frost and glacial action. In some cases, it contains a small lake, for example, Lake Seyful Maluk, located in Kagan Valley. At the end, we have an activity. Write the length and mountain ranges of Batura and Siachen glaciers. Define abrasion and plucking. What are the important topographical features of northern mountains? Thank you very much, students.